Alright, so I did join everybody to come and participate in this run as we mark the KABAKA's 69th birthday. This is a very important run. Each year there is a theme, and this time round it's around HIV and AIDS, and especially encouraging the men to step up and join the fight against HIV and AIDS, which is very important. You know, in the 80s, after HIV and AIDS hit us so hard as a country, there were concerted efforts to fight the scourge. But after a while, people became complacent. There was not as much effort as it were. And so this clarion call by the KABAKA is a very important one. I also want to add my voice to say, let's keep ourselves safe, because we need to keep alive and do all that we've got to do to better our country. We can only do that when we are alive and healthy. But even for those who, for one reason or another, have gotten the virus, you can still get medication and live, because nowadays people live and you cannot know. So keep yourselves healthy. Those who have got the virus, take the medication, eat well and so on, so that we stay alive and we fight to see that our country gets better.